Welcome, in front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you where to find the model name of your device. So the model name of your laptop is located on the back cover of the laptop itself. So let me close the lid and turn the laptop around so I can show you the exact location. So right here you can see the model, and for exact model name take a look right here, and here you can find the reg model data, and for me it's P108F. So that's the full model name of your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.